held up by two masked gunmen who had fled the scene. Shots were fired and several civilian casualties have been rushed to Pike Memorial. Again, we can't say for certain. Operator, how may I help you?
Yes, please give me Pike Memorial.
Blocked by local and state police. Urging everyone to remain in their homes. The gunmen are considered unarmed. Pike Memorial Hospital, this is Dennis.
Yes, I need to know if a Mary Bryson checked in the last couple hours. See, I dropped her off at Tri-State National.
Okay, sir. We still have one ambulance out of the site. I don't know if they run incoming through the system yet. What was the name again?
It's Mary Bryson. It's B-R-I. It's S-O-N.
Yes, sir. Mary Bryson was checked in, sir. Do you happen to be friend or family?
Yeah, I'm a friend. Is she okay?
Sir, Mary is listed as one of the gunshot victims from the Tri-State. She's just been rushed into emergency surgery. Sorry, but there's no